I received 2 Nest Cams for free. Here's how I got them and how you might be able to. For a long time, I've had security alarms and cameras at my house. I travel a lot. I'm also in the military reserves, so there's times I'm not going to be here, and I want to make sure my stuff's protected. Enter Dropcam. And they launched in January of 2009, and I was an early adopter. The cameras had a small footprint, and they were wireless and exactly what I needed. I was able to buy several, put them around my house, and through this little doodad that I found on Amazon, they had an exceptionally small footprint, just facing the doors and doing exactly what I needed. In June of 2014, Google Nest Labs bought Dropcams for $555 million, and they integrated Dropcams into the Nest Labs system, and overall, it was a very nice interface, and whether you had Dropcams or you had Nest Cams, you really couldn't tell the difference, and it worked quite great for me for a number of years. And that brings us to today. On April 8th of this year, I received an email from Google telling me that on April 8th, 2024, my Dropcams will no longer work. And a lot of people might get upset with that, but I'm not one of those. In those 10 plus years I've owned those cameras, they've been performing security updates for it, patching the firmware, but at some point, it's just not going to take anymore, and there's going to be security concerns they can't resolve through the firmware updates. Now, in those same 10 years, I've probably owned 4 cars, 3 laptops. I'm constantly swapping out that gear, but for some reason, I don't think to swap out my cameras. Well, you need to at times, and this is one of those times. And that's where Google really came in clutch. They're offering you up to 2 Nest Cams if you participate in the Nest Home subscription service like I do. These cameras retail for $99 each, and they send them to me both free with free shipping. Now you can get these on Amazon, and I'll put a link in the description below. Now, if you only had 1 Dropcam, you're only eligible to get 1 camera. In my case, I checked through all of my cameras. I have 4 different ones. I have 1 Nest Cam and 3 Dropcams. So I maxed out at getting the 2 cameras. Now I've just got to figure which camera am I no longer going to use. And overall, I'm really happy with their solution. While I'm only getting 2 to replace 3 cameras, my cameras are 10 plus years old and only do 720p. These cameras are 1080p high definition, including night vision with HDR. And not too far down the road, I'm going to give a full review and let you know what kind of quality and performance I'm getting from these cameras. While you're here, do you mind liking and subscribing? It really helps grow the channel. Are you using security cameras like Arlo or Amazon Ring or Nest Cams? Let me know in the comments and let me know how it's working for you.